Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I finally get to say welcome to my channel. I am Sue for those who don't know me, and yeah, welcome to the Social Insider. Finally, I have birthed this thing out of a love for my work as an influencer manager, as a social media manager. I think I've experienced a lot in the industry from its inception to where we are now, and I just thought, why not come on here and share everything I know to anyone who is aspiring to be in this creator space, this influencer space, anyone who wants to grow, anyone who has had people make money, how do they make money, how do they work with brands. I just think it's high time I give myself to share everything I know, insider information from the brand side, from an influencer side, because I've experienced and been in both spaces. So working with an influencer where we're creating content and pitching to brands, growing a following, growing an audience, growing a brand, I have a ton of experience on that end. And now to where I am managing influencers for a brand. So yeah, I hire influencers every month, so I can tell you what I look for. Emails I respond to. The brand side also is very important. I think any creator dreams of working with a brand somehow. I think it helps your portfolio. It also affirms that your career is growing. So yeah, I just thought, why not come on here, get to answer your questions, get to bring on influencers I work with. They'll share what they know, what has helped them, and be where they are today. So yeah, that's the Social Insider in a nutshell. I have a lot to share, guys, a lot to share in the coming days, in the coming weeks. So yeah, before we get started, some housekeeping. Subscribe. You need to subscribe so that you don't miss out when I post any videos. And yeah, let anyone you think could benefit from this, let them know. Share this video, and tell them help has arrived. So my upload is, help me God, will be Wednesdays and Saturdays in the course of the day somewhere. So Wednesdays and Saturdays, don't miss out on any episode. I promise it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be full of value, and let's make 2023 great. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.